Imagine yourself in this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. And memory settings are one of many features. Call today to schedule a test drive.